Hello everyone. Today there is a little bit repair video because I was riding on the Rally del Marche in Italy. Yeah, it was all the day raining and mud. When I finished, I just realized my motorbike is shaking when the cooling fan is on. So I made a little exploration and I find this video on the internet. I have seen I am not the only one with this problem. Yeah, I had to do the same thing to search for the mud in the cooling fan, but I really didn't want to let out cooling fluid. So I figured out it is possible to break free the cooler and remove the cooling fan without removing the fluid and all the cables. You need a nice experienced hand, but yeah, it's doable. At least I think it is. I am just about to removing the cooling fan holding structure and see what's making the motorbike shake. Let's see. So certainly, first thing, remove the plastic things. There they are. You need just this tool for it. And once I remove this, I just remove this 10 bolt from here, yeah, from this hole. And when it was done, I just gently started to pull off the cooler from these pegs, which is holding it. This one and this one here. After a while, it became a little bit harder to pull it, but if you pull it with cautions, even the OEM tubes let the cooler just come out into this position. And from this position, I was able to reach these bolts here. Yeah, here is one right here, and the other one is on the opposite side, right here, holding the fan, and the last one is up there. Yes, right there. And right now I'm trying to taking it off. Yeah, this is the one. And from this side, it seems working with a simple 10 key. Since the wrench doesn't move too much, it takes a little bit time. It's a pretty nice long bolt. Okay, now the fan is loose. Okay, just putting down the third one. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, now I try to remove the whole fan thing. First, remove this cable clip, then gently pull and rotate the fan frame until it just breaks free. So it's out. There is a cable connection right there in this tight spot, and unfortunately I wasn't able to break it free, so I decided to repair the fan where it is right now. I didn't want to risk any stretch to the tubes because they already reached their stretching limits. First I checked if the fan is still shaking. It was shaking, alright. First I tried to clean it with a toothbrush. Yeah, it was a half success, so I decided to find some other solution for this. Since there was a 10 bolt on the fan, I just removed it, and voila, the fan is out to clean. Under the fan, I found the bearing, which was in excellent condition, but I cleaned it a little bit too. After cleaning it, I just made an isolation for it with duct tape. Once this was done, I got back to the toothbrush cleaning technique, but the more dust I removed, even more mud revealed. So I just decided to remove these 3 10 bolts, and finally the whole electric motor was free. Just look at there, what a mud under it. This mud was just sprayed up here from the front wheel on the Rally and dried it here because of the heat of the engine. After everything was clean again, I just put back all the bolts and nuts where I found them, using electric tools for the first month, but the precise torque was set with the best tool, with my hands and muscle memories. I removed the DIY dust guard and put back the fan in its place. Squeezing back the radiator onto the pegs was just as easy as removing it from them, and then finally putting back the temboids and the plastic parts. So, it's a final check. Is it still shaking? Yes, I could just start the engine right there and wait several minutes until it reaches the 100 and 105 and wait until the fun kicks in, but it's more fun to go to right and see there if it's working or not. Okay, 104, 105 and 1 more Celsius and it will start. So far so good. Okay, 101 Celsius. Okay, it stopped. No extra rattling, no extra shaking, so I think it's fixed. So that's it for today. I hope the fun is fixed and hopefully see you next time. Ciao!